Really love this product. I had the 9 but ever since I got the 11 all my pictures are crystal clear. I absolutely love it. My boyfriend loves it too, and it starts up fast and the noise it makes when it takes the picture isn't as loud as my old camera. Super cute. This review explains pros and cons and the Fuji Instax 11 and Kodak Printomatic cameras. Sample photographs provided. Fuji Instax 11. The Kodak Printomatic camera is a fun way to share physical photographs. Pictures develop like the now retro Polaroid prints, though rectangular instead of square. The image quality isn't great, but the point of this camera isn't serious photography, just fun and creative memories. Special note: the flash images provided show with a flash and, without, flash was covered. Pros. 1. Super cute retro design. 2. Window for film remaining, count. 3. Tiny mirror on lens, which is ingenious, for taking selfies. 4. Attachments available for lens and flash for changing the image color or special effect, sold separately or in the bundle option. Cons. 1. Flash is automatic with no on/off setting. Outside pictures generally do not need a flash. Covering the flash often makes a better quality picture when ample natural light is present too. Slightly awkward as the camera is taller than wide, less standard. 3. Slightly bulky compared to the Kodak Printomatic, though not a huge problem, won't fit easily into a pocket. Kodak Printomatic. The Kodak Printomatic camera is a fun way to share physical photographs. Pictures are printed as stickers using zinc inkless film. The image quality isn't great, but the point of this camera isn't serious photography, just fun and creative memories. Special note: other brands of zinc paper do work in the Kodak camera, such as Polaroid. If using another brand, replace the blue calibration card with a used Kodak blue calibratio. Kodak Zinc seems to generate better looking photos. Pros. 1. Rechargeable battery. 2. Color and B&W options. 3. Pictures saved to micro SD card. 4. Easily fits into a pocket. Cons. 1. Flash is automatic with no on/off setting. 2. No way to see how many zinc sheets are remaining in the camera. 3. Very easy to accidentally take a picture. The shutter button is not guarded against mishaps. 4. Makes a loud beep when taking pictures. 5. Black and white photos have a slight pink tinge to one side. If you have a thing for old-time pictures, but clear quality, this is it. The package comes packed neatly together with instructions for everything. It comes with 2 small boxes with 10 films in each, so you have to take pictures wisely. The little frames are adorable. This is definitely worth the buy. It came in good condition. At first when I put the batteries in it did not work, so I took them out for a little bit and put them back in. The camera started working. I am happy that it came with 20 films because they only come in 10. But overall it was a good product and I would get it for a gift. Click link in description for more reviews.